Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Gemini placements. Okay, this is your love reading. Okay, titingnan natin yung energy ni person mo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga evil eye item for protection, and doon sa ating love bracelet and kay granter, yeah, and doon sa ating new item for cord cutting, just message me. Okay, so ano bang dapat mong malaman pagdating kay person mo? Diba? Okay, let's see. Diba? Tingnan natin. Oracle muna tayo. So, ano bang meron sa kanya? Para malaman mo na siya to, ha? Nire-reading natin. Okay, kuha tayo ng energy. Energy ni person mo. This is mga specific. Okay? Na energy from your person. Okay, so sino ba yan? Anong meron sa kanya? Okay, some of you. Yeah. Ganito ba yung person mo? The one you're thinking of? Which, something like, pwedeng meron silang alam sa ganito, or something sa mga ritual, or what? Okay. Anyway, hindi naman yan para sa lahat. Okay? So, kasi napaka-specific ng mga energy na nandito. So, kunin nyo lang. Okay, kunin nyo lang yung sa tingin yung inyo. Okay, don't try to force a message to fit in. Okay, to fit. Oo. Ano daw? Naguluhan. Oo. Again, don't try to force a message to fit. Okay? So, yun. Anyway. So, ano bang meron pa? Kukuha pa tayo, syempre. Okay. Sharp face. Okay. So, pwedeng jawline. Okay. Alam niyo yun, like, yeah. Medyo, ang tawag dyan. Yeah. Tingnan nyo na lang, diba? Pointed, oo. Medyo sharp pagdating sa mga edges. Okay, sa mga edges. Oo, yun na lang. Okay. So, what else? Tribal. Okay. So, I think this person is into talaga, no? Something na sabihin nating they're into something like AB normal. Okay? AB normal. Oo. Okay. Some of them, they're too traditional. May mga tribo, yung iba sa kanila, yes. Okay. Pwedeng may pinanggalingan na tribe, mga ganyan. Okay, hindi yan para sa lahat, pero yes. Some of you maybe. Okay, ganyan yung person mo. May something, like, may tribe. Okay, what else? Brown eyes. Okay, so what else? Albino. Okay. So hindi yan para sa lahat, no? Some of you, pwedeng maputi lang tong person mo. May kaputian. Okay, let's see. What else? Gemini. Ano pang meron dito sa person mo? Okay. Syempre po, hindi lahat ito. Hindi lahat. Magre-resonate. Okay. Malay ko. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng yeah. What else? Skin condition. Okay. So, yeah. May skin condition yung iba sa kanila. Okay. So, pwedeng yun nga. Diba? Albino. Okay. So, hindi yun para sa lahat. Anyway. skin condition in general. May something, okay, sa kanilang balat. Yung iba sa kanila po masyado lang silang sabihin natin concern about their skin. Okay? Parang ganyan. Yeah. Okay. So, gusto ko pang kumuha. Dalawa na lang. Okay. Okay, glasses. Some of them, they wear glasses. Okay. So, maybe some of them, this is like their passion lang. Fashion. Fashion. Okay, they're into fashion, maybe. Okay. May pagka-oldies tong person mo, no? I think, some of them, may pagka-oldies or sabihin natin naniniwala sa kung ano-ano man. Okay? Na pwedeng kasabihan, mga ganyan. Okay? What else? Last. Medium skin tone. 'Di ba? Ang daming tinutukoy about skin. So I think this person is sabihin nating talagang their I don't know, parang sobrang nila pagdating sa skin nila. I don't know if they're sensitive or what. Okay? So there, yun ang nakukuha ko pagdating dyan sa person, kung anong meron sa kanila physically, sa looks. Okay? So, yeah, this is just physical. Yan. Okay? So, tayo ay tumungo. Ano ba talaga ang meron? So, we're gonna use tarot. Okay? So, dagdag lang to. Para maging mas specific if ever. Okay. So, ano bang meron sa person mo? Gemini. Who is this person you're thinking of? Okay, ano bang meron sa kanya? Gemini. One more. Okay. Gemini. Anong meron sa kanya? The Queen of Swords. Some of them, they're intelligent. Okay? There's this energy pwedeng Libra, okay? There's this energy na pwedeng itong taong to is detached, cold, okay? Or maybe they're acting detached or cold, okay? Avoidant maybe, some of them. What's with this Queen of Swords? They are silent, okay? What's with this Queen of Swords? Iba sa kanila, pwedeng teacher, okay? Pwedeng may ganyang profession. Yung iba sa kanila, teacher, lawyer, something like that. Someone who gives advice, yan. The Queen of Swords, okay? What's with this Queen of Swords? The King of Cups. Oh! There's this, sabihin nating, pagdating sa panlabas, no? Andyan yung, sabihin nating parang, may pagkamatigas no? Pero pagdating sa mabait. Okay? Something like that. Okay? Alam nyo, ito specific. Itong taong to may gusto. May gusto, I don't know kung sino. Pero they're hiding it. Okay, King of Cups. There's this someone na pwedeng, I don't know, pwedeng in love ka dito kasi nandito si King of Cups. Okay, or maybe sabihin natin this person is so generous. Okay, they're generous. They're kind. Yeah, they're kind. Soft-hearted, I think. Okay. Okay. So, ano bang meron? Some of you, itong taong to is, sabihin natin, may kakonek. Okay, may kakonek. Anyway, ano bang meron? Anong meron? Being the Queen of Wands, the Queen of Swords, ito yung person na pwedeng meron kayong legal situation itong person na to. Okay, may legal situation. Pwedeng kasal kayo nito. Okay? Yeah. Meron silang sariling opinion. May paninindigan tong taong to. But, yeah. Nandun yung love. I think. Some of you, okay? Again, sabi ko kanina, don't force a message to fit. Okay? So, ano bang situation meron kayo, Gemini? The Page of Pentacles in reverse. Why? The Ace of Pentacles. Huh. Okay. Sa situation, meron ditong parang gustong i-level up or something like magkaroon ng new beginning. Okay? Pero hindi nangyayari. Hindi nausad. Somebody is like, yeah, feeling invested, something like that. They're waiting. Okay. Ito, Gemini, ha. Ang lawak ng pag-intindi mo sa taong to, sa totoo lang. Ang lawak. Ang lawak. Okay. So, ano bang meron? Emotion niya for you. Let's see. Gemini. Okay. Ten of Swords. Feeling nito, binackstab mo siya ng ilang beses. I don't know why. Feeling niya, binackstab mo siya ng ilang beses. Why? The King of Pentacles in reverse. There's people here. Okay. I don't know kung ikaw itong parang hindi naging responsible pagdating sa kanya. Feeling kasi niya parang binackstab mo siya. Parang. Okay. I don't know kung may nangyaring arguments. Again, there's another person. Queen of Cups naman in reversed. Dami namang involved. Some of you, Gemini, okay? Some of you, so hindi ibig sabihin lahat. Iba sa inyo, niloko mo to eh. Yeah. Niloko mo to. Pero, okay? Itong taong to, hot and cold, paminsan-minsan. Yeah, hot and cold. So, I think kaya parang iniintindi mo na lang din or parang nilalawakan mo na lang din kasi pwedeng may mga pinanguhugutan tong taong to eh. Okay? Kung ano man yung mga pinapakita niya sa'yo or what. Okay? May mga dahilan din naman. Feeling kasi nito talagang binitray mo siya eh. Okay? Yeah. Iba sa inyo pwedeng nagsasama na lang kayo nitong taong to talaga. Pero hindi ma-fix yung talagang dapat ma-fix dito. Okay. Diba ang lalim? Lalim ng buntong hininga. Okay. Ano bang meron? Anong energy niya? Gusto ko makita. Ano ba talaga yung current energy ng taong to? Current energy ng person mo, Gemini. And the Two of Cups in reverse. Emotionally, there's distance. Okay, may gap. Emotional. Okay, if ever you're with this person, magkasama kayo sa bahay, kung ano man, kayo pa, meron ditong gap emotionally. Okay, emotionally. The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Yeah. Okay. So, there's this a lot of trauma. Okay, sa kanya sa ngayon. Yeah. There's this a lot of blaming energy coming from this person. They're blaming you. They are blaming you, Gemini. They love you though. Okay? They love you. Yeah. Kung hindi kayo magkasama nito sa ngayon, nandun pa rin yung love niya sa'yo. Okay? Pagdating sa new beginning, it's like parang hindi mangyari-yari. Parang ganyan. Okay? Hindi na bibigyang focus if ever. Feeling niya kung kayo ay magkahiwalay, parang hindi na dapat panindigan or hindi na dapat i-push pa yung kung ano mang meron sa inyo. Okay? So, sa ngayon, devastated. Yeah. Bakit ganun? Napakakawawa ng energy niya. Okay? They're trying na maging parang pakita sa'yo na they're strong. Pero deep inside, they're broken. They're broken. Yeah. Kung kasama mo man to, ganun rin. They're broken inside. They are. The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. The World in reversed kanina. That's past trauma. Past baggages. Hindi rin naman niya kasi finifix rin yung sarili niya eh. Okay, Gemini. So, ang daming kailangan baguhin dito. Ang dami. So, anong kailangan niyang gawin? Or no. Anong next action niya towards you, Gemini? What is their next action? Ano to? Six of Wands in reversed. Are they controlling you? So, I think this is like resulta, no? Sa kung anong mga pinagdaanan niya. They want control over you. Yeah. The Nine of Wands. Some of them, they have this big trust issue. Okay? Yeah. Big trust issue. The Eight of Swords. They're always thinking. Parang silang trap sa kung anong meron. Like, yeah, sa past. This is talking about past. Past nung tao. Gemini. Ito ko nalaman yun sa emosyon niya. Feeling niya, binitray mo siya ng ilang beses. Binackstab mo siya ng ilang beses. Okay? This person is not healed. They're not. And I think, hindi naman nila totally parang inaayos rin yung sarili nila. Okay? Both of you, may mga kailangang ayusin. May mga kailangang parang sabihin nating i-end. Okay? So, hang on. Sandali lang po ha. Okay. So, let's see. Gemini. Ano bang tingin niya sa'yo? Okay, anong tingin niya sa'yo ngayon? Oo, tingnan natin ha. Gemini, ano bang tingin ng taong to sa'yo ngayon? Okay. The Ace of Wands. There's attraction here. Physical. Okay, what's with that? Ace of Wands. They want to have a new beginning talaga. Okay, gusto nila magkaroon ng new chapter. Not a repeat, not a cycle. They want a new chapter. Okay? Ace of Wands. The Ten of Wands in reversed. Ang tingin nito sa'yo, Gemini, hindi ka nakiki-cooperate. Okay? You're dropping. Okay? Yun ang tingin niya sa'yo, ha? Okay? Hindi ko sinabing ganito ka. Okay? Ang tingin niya sa'yo is someone na pwedeng parang walang pakialam pagdating sa pagbabago. Okay? Wala ka daw pakialam pagdating sa pagbabago. You're dropping. Okay? Pagdating dyan sa usaping pagbabago. I don't know, in general. Maybe. Okay? Yeah. The 8 of Coins universe. There's no cooperation here. There's no cooperation. So yeah, yun ang tingin nila sa'yo. Hindi niya makita sa'yo yung magandang kooperasyon. Kaya hindi nga magkaroon ng pagbabago. There's always this delay pagdating sa situation. Okay? Para kayo nagsasama lang talaga nito. Yeah. Yeah, the Fool. They want new things. They want new beginning with you. Pero they see you. Maybe you see them. Okay, no. They see you as someone who is dropping pagdating sa new beginning. Or sabihin nating hindi niya makitaan yung ikaw pagdating sa mga pagbabago. Yeah. Okay. Advice for you, Gemini. The Sun in reversed, the Page of Wands in reversed. Enough with the immaturity. Okay? Enough with that. Okay? Ego, pride. I don't know why. I don't know. The immaturity in general. You have to stop it. Okay? Limit if ever. Kung di mo kayang i-stop totally agad-agad, syempre, no? Okay? Yeah, the 8 of Cups universe. Some of you, you're still stuck sa kung anong nakaugalian mo eh. Okay? Yun ang nakikita kasi niya eh. So, advice for you is, yeah. Oo. Alisin mo na yung nakagawian mo. Okay? Kasi ito, parang biniblame ka nung person mo, Gemini. I'm sorry. Pero, you have to know. Okay? Nagganon siya pagdating sa'yo. Sabi ko nga, ano bang kailangan mong malaman? Okay? Anong kailangan mong malaman pagdating sa person mo? Or anong kailangan mong malaman pagdating sa kanya? Okay? Pwedeng hindi niya to nasasabi sa'yo. May issue pala siya sa'yo. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita for you, Gemini. So, tungo tayo sa all signs. Okay. The zodiac sign you're dealing with. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries. Okay. So, gusto nila ng kaayusan. Okay, some of them ayaw na nila ng stress. Okay? Taurus. Meron silang gustong sabihin pero they don't know how to approach you maybe. Some of them they're lying. Yeah. Gemini. Avoiding drama. Okay, avoiding the kung ano man mga kailangan gawin. Okay, in general. Cancer. So, there's this third party involved or there's no good cooperation from them. Wala kang makukuha. Leo, some of you, there's this imbalance na meron with this Leo. Some of them, there's this infidelity. Okay? There's lies. Meron ditong injustice na nangyayari with this Leo. Virgo, they feel a strong connection like emotions. Okay? Libra, what is this? Okay, the 5 of Cups universe, they're over you. Okay, some of them, they're moving on. Yeah, they're moving on. They don't want any kind of drama. They're just moving on. Okay? Scorpio, some of you, this person is your wish fulfillment. Pwedeng, ang nangyari dito is nagkaroon ng parang, for them for this Scorpio, you're their wish fulfillment na hindi ma-reach. Diba? Unfulfilled wish. Okay, that's, yeah. Some of you, there's this codependency with this Scorpio. Sagittarius, their back is turned. They're hopeless. Okay? Some of you don't have to expect from this Sag. Capricorn. Okay, so something merong marireveal with this Capricorn. Okay, Aquarius. Naging totoo lang sila pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Some of you admire this Aquarius. Yeah. Pisces. They want to talk. They have plans. Okay? They want this, parang energy ng, they want focus pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Yeah. Some of them, pwedeng, itong Pisces na to, pwedeng meron silang gustong gawin, pero andun yung pagpaplano pa lang. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Gemini placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.